Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. I got this Olight Warrior X Extreme Distance Tactical Light. Throw 1,000 meters or 1 kilometer, max 1,100 lumens. Let's have a look at the back here. Hi. So you see you got 150, 300, 600, 1,100 lumens. So the usage time might be a little bit confusing if you just have it on low, 12 hours, 30 minutes. Otherwise, if you start off on high, 6.5 minutes at high, then 105 minutes, and then 27 minutes, and then 52 minutes, and it's dead. Inside the package, Warrior X Turbo with battery, USB, magnetic charging cable, TGR tactical grip ring, holster, lanyard, user manual. All right, well, if you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you guys know I got a few Olight lights. How's this box? Oh, this is a fancy style. It unfolds. Thank you for being part of the Olight family. Your support is why we do this. Enjoy. We got the main instructions right here. So this is the light itself. We're going to put that aside for right now. This is the accessory one. Note in there it says thank you. This one here will have your charging cable. They're pretty generic throughout the board. I'm not sure what that ring is, but we're gonna find out. Is there anything else in there? Anything else? Anything else? We got the user manual. What does the back of the box say? The Warrior X Turbo is a new tactical thrower that produces a far-reaching light beam. It is compact in size. The Warrior X Turbo delivers a max output of 1,100 lumens, a throw max of 1,000 meters, and enjoys a max runtime of 12.5 hours. It carries on various features of the Warrior X series. The simple and aggressive design asserts tactical identity. The magnetic tail switch also serves as a connection port for the magnetic charging cable and the magnetic remote pressure switch. Moreover, the tail cap is reshaped to fit the remote pressure switch more securely with great performance and rich accessories. The Warrior X Turbo is an ideal lighting tool for hunting, search and rescue, law enforcement, and outdoor activities. It's always important to read the yellow. It says we got to remove the insulating film. Please charge before you turn it on. All right. Wow, that thing's beefy. I'm gonna remove the lens right there. Apparently, we're supposed to unscrew this and pull that out. What kind of battery is that? Rechargeable, 3.6 volt, 5,000 mAh. That's a large battery. That's a very large battery. Wow, look at that light. Need to charge it up first though. All right, that's kind of a nice looking flashlight. We really need to charge it up first before we can test it out and see how bright this sucker really is. There's some size comparison right there between the SR Baton and the Warrior. All right, we're gonna try out this flashlight. That's regular beam out there, I think. This thing's supposed to... Oh wow. I think this shine actually quite far. That's a sign way down there. Oh, that's crazy. So I guess that would be low beam. Yeah, high beam is. Can you shoot a kilometer? Oh yeah, easy. Easy. That bridge is almost like a kilometer away. Where all the cars are down there. Man, that thing's insane. So this is, even on 150 lumens, you can shine quite far, but a lot more, of course. Yeah, I'm actually very impressed with this light. All right, this is a video from my back alley. You can see how far that light shines. All right, shut her down. I'm gonna honestly say this Warrior X Turbo by Olight is pretty darn impressive. That you can shine a kilometer easy. Wow, it's just mind-blowing how something this small can produce so much light. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you had any questions or comments, post them below. I'll see you guys in the next one.